Question number 10 is, a water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step. That means monkey is on first step. So here steps are like this and the position of monkey is on this first step. Further you have given the water level is at the 9th step. Water is here at 9th step. On this condition you have given questions also. First question is, he jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. He jumps 3 steps down, then after in next jump he goes back 2 steps up. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? So after how many jumps he will reach to 9th steps? So here in first jump he will reach 3 steps down and then he goes back 2 steps up in second jump. So we have to count these jumps also and then we will decide on which jump he will reach to 9th step, okay, to the water level. And we understand this using one figure, and figure is given here. Monkey's initial position is here on first step. He jumps 3 steps down and he reaches to 4th step. So after first jump he will be on 4th step. Then after second jump he goes back 2 steps up, so he reaches here. Then after third jump 1 2 3 he reaches to 5th step. Then after fourth jump 1 2 he reaches here. Then after 5th jump 1 2 3 he reaches here. After 6th jump 1 and 2 he reaches here. Then after 7th jump 1 2 and 3 he reaches here. And then after 8th jump 1 and 2 his position is here. Then after again count 3 1 2 and 3 he reaches here after 9th jump. Then after 10th jump 1 and 2 he reaches here. Then after count 3 1 2 3 he reaches on 9th step after 11th jump. So we can say that after 11th jump he reaches on 9th step, or we can say he will reach to the water level, okay. The second question is given in the same. After drinking water, he wants to go back. He has drunk the water on 9th step. After that, he wants to go back on first step. For this, he jumps 4 steps up. Now his initial position is on 9th step. He goes 4 steps up, 8, 7, 6 and 5. Okay, so he goes up and reaches to 5th step. Then jumps back 2 steps down. So from this 5th, count to 1 and 2 and he reaches on this 7th step. In how many jumps will he reach back the top step? By doing this up and down, in how many jumps he will reach to the top topmost step, that is first step. Now monkey's initial position is 9 step. He jumps 4 steps up. So we count 4 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now he reaches to 5th step after first jump. And then we count 2 from here. And after second jump, he reaches on 7th step. Because he jumps back 2 steps down. So after second jump, he will be on 7th step. Then after we count again 4 from this 7th step, 1, 2, 3, 4. And after third jump, he reaches on third step. Then after we count 2, 1 and 2. So after fourth jump, he reaches on 5th step. Then after again we count 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So after 5th jump, he will be on first step. Okay, so total how many jumps will he need to reach to the topmost step? And we can say that after 5th jump, he will reach on the topmost step. Third question is, if the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integers and the number of steps moved up by positive integers, represent his moves in part 1 and part 2 by completing the following. First of all, you need to understand what is the meaning of A and B. Here one series is given, -3 plus 2. You have to iterate, or you can say repeat this series to reach to the answer -8. Okay, so you have to think about this series. So how many steps you have to complete to get the answer -8. Then after you have another series which is 4 minus 2, and you have to complete this series also to get the answer 8. And one more thing is given here, which is you have to consider negative integers for moving down and positive integer for move up. And first we think about this series. A is equal to -3 plus 2. Now first we solve one step only. -3 plus 2. Now minus plus minus. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. And answer is minus. So it is -1. Now think about this thing, that how many times you write -1 to get answer -8. Yes, we can say that 8 times. -1 plus -1 plus -1 plus -1. So you have to iterate this 8 times to get the answer -8. -1 plus 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 -1. So here I have written 8 times -1. We know that minus minus becomes plus. So -1 plus -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. So by repeating this 8 times, I get answer -8. That means I need to repeat this particular part 8 times to get this answer -8. So this series will be minus 3 plus 2. This is one time. Then again minus 3 plus 2 second time. Then again minus 3 plus 2 third time. Minus 3 plus 2 fourth time. Minus 3 plus 2 fifth time. Minus 3 plus 2 sixth time. Minus 3 plus 2 seventh time. Then minus 3 plus 2 eighth time. So you have to write this 8 times to get this answer minus 8. So we have completed this series here. Now we think about this B. Here we have 4 minus 2. Now we have to think about how many times we repeat this to get 8 as answer. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So I have to repeat this 2 4 times to get answer 8. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. So I have to repeat this 4 times. That means I have to repeat this particular part 4 times to complete this series. So 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2. So we have to write this 4 times to complete this series to get this answer 8. Now further you have given in A the sum minus 8 represent going down by 8 steps. That we have already done. We have repeated this 8 times to get this answer, right? Now what about this question? So what will the sum 8 in B represent? So if you want to get the answer 8 here, then what you have to do here? That means we have to repeat this 4 times, right? So we can say that we have to going up by 4 steps. Why going up? Because here our answer is positive 8. Here answer was minus 8. That's why we call it going down. But here our answer is positive, so we can say that going up. So we can represent the answer like this. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching my video.